Hello, everyone. I am ZHAO Chuang. Let's draw a sheep. Sheep are animals tightly wrapped in hair, making their whole appearance almost like a chubby ball. However, when drawing it, we still need to know what the structures underneath the wool, such as the forelimbs and hind limbs, look like. Only after learning these can we precisely understand which part of its legs is wrapped inside wool and further understand its body structure. Most of its forelimbs are hidden inside, with the wrist visible. But the overall shape still follows the inside structure. Its elbows are slightly wider, and its knees come somewhat farther forward. In addition, when viewed from the overall outline of its body, although its neck without hair is thin and raised high, similar to a goat, its entire body shapes like a large circle in the wool contrast. Its shoulders are slightly depressed, and its pelvis is relatively higher, giving it an adorable appearance. Now, let's get started. We start with its eyes and draw a small dot. Then, draw a fleshy fold above the eye, similar to the eyebrow. There are pouches under the eyes and the flesh that connects to the face. This position in the front is the nostril. And here is the nose tip. A seam, a bit like the human philtrum, extends downward from the nose. Draw its mouth with a smiling look, followed by its lower lip. Then, draw its nose slightly raised upward. Next, let's draw a long ear behind the eye. The sheep's ears are elongated and can droop down. Next, we can draw a large amount of crimped hair atop its eyes, equivalent to where human hair is located. When drawing the crimped hair, we can use short, curly lines to show the texture. The wool is very thick and covers its entire neck. Extending all the way to its loin. Extending backward from the loin, we can draw the rump raised a little. Then, let's move to the underside of its neck. A lot of curly hair can be sketched from this part to its forelimbs, and then to its legs. As a result, only a tiny section of its legs is visible, equivalent to the human palm. It has two small hooves and another two smaller digits at the rear. Then, we draw the long, curly hair on the lower part of its belly. Then, let the wool wrap around its hind limbs and expose the feet, which have two hooves and two small toe tips pointing backward. It has a fat tail. Let's slightly show it. On the underside of its body, we can draw curly lines along this direction to express a sense of volume. Good. In this way, we've finished drawing this sheep.